Well, I'm back, everybody. It's once again it's dark outside. Busy full day of stuff. Check out some of the shorts I've dropped. I did come in here and I bolted the shifter back to the stand. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt the seat in it, just for now. I can get the rear panel in with the seat in. And then after I do that, because I didn't get a chance today to go get some more hose and some fittings, we may start tearing into this because we got 90% of our parts. I may go ahead and just start tearing into the motor over here. But for now, I'll be back here in a few minutes. I'm going to run upstairs, grab the seat. We'll get that thrown in there. And I went ahead and wiped the seat down with a little glass cleaner. Got it bolted down. It's good and firm. Just kind of bolting stuff in that I can while the motor's out. And this seat is all the way back. It will go all the way forward. It's not going to affect any of our wiring. It's not going to be in the way. Steering wheel does come off. It's on a quick disconnect. As you can see right there. It comes off. I may go upstairs. I was going to start tearing into that motor. But I might go ahead and grab the dash shell and stick it in here and just see what we got. At this point, it's, we're at the point where we're just bolting stuff together. So there's nothing really super exciting other than seeing the stuff in the car for the final time, which makes me excited. If you like this stuff, hit the like button down there. But the seat is in. Like I said, it will come forward, so it does allow us to get our rear panel in. Our shifter cable will go through that rear panel also. I cannot put that in until the motor is back in the car. Reason being is because of the subframe bolts up here at the front. But I'm just going to work along, and I'll jump in when I either get something installed or I got something cool to show. So I'll be back here in just a few. Let's get busy. Alright, I'm back. I spent an exuberant amount of time looking for these windshield pillar pieces. You pretty much have to have those with the dash. I just kind of want the dash for, something of a factory look in here. One thing I didn't take into account, that the shifter handle is into the old vent opening up there. Not a real big deal. This is not bolted in. I am going to stick a couple of bolts in it until I decide what I'm doing. May end up making a custom dash. I don't know. We'll just see what happens. This dash pad is in pretty good shape other than where I've had a tack mounted to it. I'll just have to get it kind of rough bolted in. I'm waiting on paint on the bolts to dry. I do get them drying out right here. I sprayed them with a little primer. Because the dash is gray, I was just going to make them gray too. But there is filler pieces that go in each one of those. I do have a dummy cluster with gauges mounted in it. And that will be what we use for this back here, including the boost gauge. But once I get this bolted in, I'll be back and we'll look at it a little more. Alright, and I come in here and I just went ahead and bolt this in. Our shifter, which I did not check this, is super close in the park position up here. But does not hit, and it does not affect our shifter operation for first, second, third, fourth, neutral, reverse, or park. It's just super close in the park position. Don't really like it. Too late now to go back and change this. So it's in a good field position for me, and I'll work with it. So like I said, we're bolted in. I went ahead and put the side pillars, like I said earlier, in there, and the dash, along with the seat. Obviously haven't put none of the cluster stuff because we have no wiring harness in the car. Did put the gas pedal down there. I did clean it up. Right now I'm just kind of bolting some stuff on. Having the dash shell in it's not going to affect our wiring harness on this. There's more than plenty of room up under the dash to get to everything. So, that said, it's getting pretty late down here tonight. Made a little bit of progress tonight. So, if you like this, low budget, use what you got, leftover parts, stuff sitting around, stuff from leftover projects, hit that like button and share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to stay updated. I always try to do something different, whether it be a short. It won't be long. This car will be running and driving. I just not had a lot of time past few days to put into it, or we'd be a lot further along what we are now. I do need to tear into that and look at it, and get it resealed and valve springs and all that good stuff. So that's going to come in a few days. And, that's that. So we'll see you tomorrow.